Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Pokemon Cinderace. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, for the first part, I'm going to start by zooming in on the head. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a wide V shape in the center here. And then from the ends, let's bring it in, leaving a small gap in the center. Then from the top, let's angle it up and in, and the same on the right. And now let's add a diamond shape at the top. Next, let's move underneath and draw the eyes. Underneath on the right, let's draw a curve down and back up. And now let's do the same on the left. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve down. And then a long oval inside each eye. Next, let's move under the eye and draw a small curve up and out like this. And then a point to close it off. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move in the middle and draw the nose with a small triangle. Then underneath, let's add a line down, and then a curve up to the right for the mouth. Next, underneath, let's draw a wide curve for the shape of the face. Next, let's hop up to the top and we're going to draw a flame shape. Let's start on the top left here and let's draw an S-shaped curve up like this. And then a wavy line back down on the right side. And now let's draw the ears. Let's draw a curve up on the right and up on the left. And then let's bring it back down and in. Now let's move inside each ear and draw a curve down. And then another curve underneath. And lastly, to close off the head, let's draw two pointed curves on both sides like this. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body, starting with the neck. Underneath, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. And then from the ends, let's curve it down and out like this. Now for the tops of the shoulders, let's draw 3 zigzag points like this on both sides. Then let's bring it in and curve it back down. Next to the neck, let's draw 2 small curves. Now let's move down, and in between, let's draw 2 V-shapes. Now from the bottom, let's draw curves down for the sides of the body. Then a V-shape to connect the 2 sides. Now from the sides, let's draw 2 small curves down and out. A V-shape underneath in the middle. And points to close off both sides. Next, let's draw the arms. Starting at the armpit area, let's draw curves out. And then angle it back into the hips. Now let's do the same thing for the top of the arm. Now at the bottom, let's add a curve for the hands. And then 2 curves inside for the fingers. And that's it for the top half of the body. Let's move down and draw the legs next. In the center, let's hop down and draw a small curve. And then a curve down to the left and down to the right underneath. Now let's move back up under the hands and draw the outside by curving it out and angling it in. Now let's add some details to the sides of the pants. Let's start on the side and let's draw a point and then a larger one below it. And let's do the same thing on the right leg. Now let's hop down. Under each leg, let's draw 2 bumps like this. Then from the inside, let's curve it down and in. And then again 2 bumps underneath. Now from the bottom, let's bring it up and back down, forming a point. And then 1 more point to close it off. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw a line down and slightly angle it in for the outside, and the same on the inside. Now from the bottom, let's angle it out. And then curves at the bottom to finish off the feet. Now inside, let's draw a curve across the top of the foot here. And then 2 curves inside each foot for the toes. Lastly, let's add the tail. On top of the right hip here, underneath the arm, let's draw a curve up. And then let's hop down underneath the right arm and draw an S-shaped curve down to the hip. And that's it for Cinderace. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!